Hi, here is the Canon IC Digital 900IS overall conditions. And here is the battery compartment and also the SD card slot. Yep. Then you just put accordingly, as here got an image. Then about the battery, if you pull this button, then it will pop up. Yep. Then by pressing here is to on it. Then you can switch the shooting mode. Now it's like fully auto, but I recommend you just put that M manual mode so that you can like adjust by yourself lah. See whether what kind of shooting you want. Wait ah. Then this one is the light compensation. The white balance. You can switch like you want what kind of tone you want. And this one is the color filter. This one is vivid, will be more saturated. Then neutral, sepia, yeah, black and white, positive film, lighter skin tone, all these things. Then this one is the metering. Yeah. After that, you just half press and shoot it. Yeah. Then here's the flash setting. You can adjust by yourself whether you want on it, off it, or let it auto. At the bottom here is the timer. You can adjust by yourself like how many seconds. Okay. Then this one is the macro mode or normal mode, macro and infinity. Yeah. Normally just set it at auto will do lah. And the ISO also you set it at auto will do. So every time when I shoot, you just half press and click it. Yeah. Then if you want to zoom, here is to zoom it. Wait ah. Click again. Okay, like that is zoom out is like this. Then also here will show how many shots you left you can take lah. Then every time you shoot, you just half press. Okay, then click it. If it's the environment is bright enough, then it won't trigger the flash lah. Yeah. And if you want like force flash, you can adjust the setting lah. Click it again. Yeah, like that. Then no matter how, it will trigger the flash. Yeah. So when you want to look back, then you just switch this button to here. Yeah. Like that will do. Then different kind of mode. You want to switch the scene mode. Can adjust by yourself. Then this one is the recording mode, which is the video. Yeah. And you can click the menu. Yeah. To adjust other setting lah. Yeah. About like the date imprinting. Then you want to format your SD card also can. Change the language. Yeah. Between like Japanese and English. Overall it's like this lah. And if you have any problem, you can just DM us. Hope you enjoy it.